Hi, welcome to the Approved Garage YouTube channel. Today I have an unboxing, New Tool Tuesday. So this is a product that I saw in an Obsessed Garage video. It didn't come from them, it came from Auto Geek. And this is what they call a Kamikaze door gate stopper. So this should be a 2-pack. It's been a minute since I ordered it. I think it was a little over $100. Yeah, $129.95 was. So there should actually be 2 products in this box here. Okay, so that's how they come. Packaging isn't great, but these are just pieces of metal, so I guess I can give them a pass on that. There is a long shaft that's kind of split in half here, and then a shorter one. So this pin kind of got wrapped around here. Okay, so put this back together. So what this is, when you're polishing your car, there are a couple surfaces that are difficult to polish when they're in the fully enclosed position, but don't really stay open. So that's what this is for. So this is to keep your hood propped open a small amount, to keep your trunk propped open a certain amount so that you can polish and do all of the edges and different surfaces. So there's 2 different ones. This is the shortest length, and then this one is an adjustable length, and this one can go anywhere from there to there. Let me kind of show you here what you would use this for. So here we are at the back of the Mini Cooper. And when you're polishing an edge like this, like when you're trying to do this back area, you end up with all of these edges and you get a bunch of crap in here when you're polishing because your polishing pad kind of throws it behind the seam there. So what something like this can help you do is you take this and you lock it on there, and then you bring this down and you connect it like that. And then you can polish up here, and you can get right at this edge all the way up to and overhang the edge if you want to. And this is held up by that door gate stopper. And the reason why this is adjustable is because you might want it to be a shorter or longer length to give yourself more or less room to work. You know, so this is the longest length that it goes to be. There's the shortest length on the long shaft, and then this one is obviously way shorter, it's just kind of a one-piece design. So if we want to remove this, we can open the latch, and take that off. Same thing with this guy. You can hook this, close the latch, and there you are. So this would be easier for working this top edge, the longer one would be easier for working these bottom edges. And it can make it so that you don't have to be so far down here too. So it's a pretty neat product. Like I said, I saw it on Obsessed Garage. Matt was using it on one of his BMWs that he was polishing, and I said, what's that? Is it gonna come to the store? And then somebody commented what it was, and then I bought them. So 129 bucks, they're stainless steel. They seem very well made. I think they're expensive for what they are, like from a manufacturing perspective, but at the same point, I haven't seen anything like them. There's no other company that I could find that makes an alternative product to these. So it seems like this is kind of the only game in town, which means that they can, of course, charge a premium. So anyway, if you're a polisher, if you're a detailer, if it's something that you would get good use out of, I think it makes sense to buy them. It's probably the kind of thing, just like most other high-end tools, you're going to buy it once and you're going to have it for life. So anyway, thank you for watching, and I hope you'll have a great day.